going home anyway at the moment.
How's this beautiful little cove out of the wind? This place is magic. I've just spotted a big fish in the shallows here. As the waves are churning up the sand, there must be crabs and that type of thing getting dislodged, and he must be feeding on them. I'm gonna stalk down and try get him with a hand spear. If we can get a big fish like this early, oh man, we're laughing. Love to get a vantage point. I'm gonna try to scale up to the top of these rocks and walk along this headland here. Oh, turtle bones. Wonder if an osprey has caught one.